Realme watch with 1.4-inch display, heart rate monitoring launched in India. Realme marked its entry into the wearable space with the launch of the Realme Band earlier this year. Now, after months of teasing, the Chinese giant has taken the wraps off the much-awaited Realme watch in India today. It features a color display, a slew of sport modes, proprietary software, music controls, and a lot more. Realme watch, specs and features. Design and display. When you take a first look at the Realme watch, it looks like a kid's smartwatch. But don't worry, it isn't and is flush with more features than you may expect in this price bracket. Realme watch boasts a polycarbonate build with a metallic finish. You get a single button with a yellow-colored indent on the right and silicone straps to round up the kitty. Realme will only offer straps with a traditional clasp right now, but straps with a modern clasp are coming soon. Talking about the display, Realme watch includes a 1.4-inch TFT LCD display with 320 by 320 resolution and up to 380 nits of brightness. The display comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. There's also a Realme logo below the display if you haven't noticed, but it's barely noticeable. You will have to tilt the watch at a certain angle to see it. Realme watch will be paired with the Realme Link app, the same as the fitness band, to offer you access to 12 watch faces out of the box. You can, however, only keep 6 watch faces on the smartwatch at a time due to storage limitations. Realme plans to add 100+ watch faces for the watch with an upcoming OTA update. Software. Realme watch is powered by the company's proprietary software instead of Google's Wear OS, whose market share, currently around 4%, is dwindling by the day. This is the company's first attempt at a smartwatch OS, so we will get our hands on it to know how good it is. But you get access to a lot of features including notification support for calls, lets you mute or end call, and apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and more. You cannot take calls on the Realme watch due to the lack of a microphone and speaker on board. Most of your activity records are now directly accessible through the watch. You don't need to open the Realme Link to view your heart rate chart, activity details, or even sleep monitoring info. Apart from all this, Realme watch also offers you quick access to music controls and a shutter button. This means you don't need to pick up your phone to change tracks or adjust the volume. Also, it will be easy to click solo or group selfies with the shutter button on the watch. 14 sport modes. Realme watch supports up to 14 sport modes including outdoor run, walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, indoor cycle, elliptical machine, yoga, and cricket. There's no GPS in tow, thus, the smartwatch relies on the phone for mapping your activity. Heart rate and sleep monitoring. The smartwatch comes equipped with a PPG sensor from Goodix. It allows you to monitor your heart rate and Realme watch will send you alerts for low and high heart rate. The watch is set to capture your heart rate at 5-minute intervals by default, but it's possible to enable continuous heart rate tracking. Apart from your heart rate, the watch also enables you to monitor sleep and blood oxygen saturation levels. All of this data will be available on the watch, which can connect over Bluetooth 5.0 to your phone. IP rating. Realme watch is IP68 water and dust resistant, which means you can wear it for a swim without any issues. Battery life. The smartwatch includes a 160 mAh battery and Realme claims that you can get up to 7 days of battery life with the heart rate monitor on. You can extend this up to 20 days if you enable the power-saving mode, but it will disable a slew of features. Realme watch, price and availability. Realme watch is priced at Rs. 3,999 in India, undercutting the new Amazfit Bip S that's priced at Rs. 4,999 and set to launch in India early next month. The smartwatch comes with swappable straps in 4 colorways including black, blue, red, and green. You can pick them up separately for Rs. 499. Realme watch, with the standard black strap, will go on sale from the 5th of June on Flipkart and Realme's official website.